Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Chainlink, as we talked about before, took its time to come down lower. It extended a little bit its corrective wave pattern to the upside, but as I hopefully made clear in the last videos, my view was that there was no bullish breakout yet for Chainlink, that it is actually one of the more bearish charts. Now, there are horrible charts and there are bearish charts. Chainlink is definitely not a horrible chart, no, but the current price structure is a bit sad. It doesn't really give us any bullish breakout possibility here. Well, there are always possibilities. The question is just how likely are they? And despite Chainlink's slow movements here or attempts to move higher here, I, as you know, stood my ground here and defended a bearish setup. With a 1-2 setup basically, in which we are now in a wave 3. We are followed by a wave 3 to the downside, and we had a few breakout points here that we needed to take to confirm that. Well, the first indication to come down, as I made clear in one of the last videos, was a breakout of the triangle to the downside. Happened. Next signal was a breakout below this swing low at $7. Happened. Next signal was a breakout below this swing low, $6.50. Happened today. Yes, we reclaimed it, we recovered briefly, but this is still a break and a signal that this is probably not something like a double bottom or anything. This is probably coming down further. I don't really like double bottoms. They're not very reliable. As a reversal signal, they are often actually taken out. And yeah, for me, this is still, on my view, remains, that after we came into this area here, which is actually an area to short the price. Now I can't give you financial advice. I can only give you areas where I believe the price is going to reverse. And I mean, we had time here since the 8th of September to make our decisions in terms of if we want to short this or not. There we came into this area for the first time, the second time, the third time, and the fourth time. We never made it through it. So it was clearly a clear area of resistance. Again, all based on Fibonacci retracement levels, actually the ideal area here for such a wave 2 retracement, which would normally be followed by a wave 3 to the downside. And the strength of the sell-off again today, for me, confirms that we are now in a wave 3. And eventually this should take us sort of into the region between $2.90 and $3.50. Now, this is sort of the bearish case. There is another way of looking at this in terms of it being just something like a WXY pattern, an ABC pattern here for Chainlink, because if you have just a WXY pattern here, so WXY or ABC as an ending diagonal in this wave 5, because this is possible as well from the wave count, then we probably don't get down that far. We might only reach sort of the area around $4.55 for Chainlink. So this is still possible that we don't get down that much, but I would say that we have a really good chance to break the low from July, which was at $5.30, and that would give everybody again lower prices to buy in for Chainlink. Okay, and that's my update basically about Chainlink. So as long as we now stay sort of, let's say below the previous swing high, which was here at 775, I think we are heading for lower prices. And generally, even if we go a bit higher, this would not suddenly make a bullish setup. So for me, the trend is still further down, no change in outlook, and therefore, just all about being consistent, right? Okay, and that's my update about Chainlink. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.